Hey guys, what's going on? It's Angus here. I got another video of the BRZ today. Today I sort of want to talk about, I actually installed WRX STI calipers on my BRZ. It's a bit of a controversial topic within the community, so I just want to let you guys know why I did it. They're a proven package now, and I'll let you know as well the other side of the story and why people reckon it's not what you should do. So I'll quickly show you them. On my car here, you can see STI calipers. These are off, I'm not sure of the generation actually, but it's off like the 2008 to 2014 STIs or about there. And I've got rears there as well. I've actually had a couple of people ask how I did install them. Being a Subarus are notoriously easy to work on. The front calipers actually bolt right onto the hub. No modifications required there. And I'm pretty sure it even fits with the OEM dust shield. So pretty much to get them installed, you just need the caliper, OEM bolts from Subaru for a WRX. So that's super easy to get just from your local dealership. And then I got some DBA is like a local Australian company. So I got a set of their T3 rotors for a WRX STI. Same on the rear, they're a DBA I think it's a T3 as well. When it comes to brake pads, you do just get WRX STI brake pad, which opens up your options. I find a lot better performance pads are readily available, at least where I live in Australia. The STI brake calipers are a bit of a controversial topic because of the difference in the piston size between the OEM and the STI. On a normal sort of car, I wouldn't really be installing them. I would go for an aftermarket big brake kit more so that that's suited for the car. The BRZs though, they have a safety feature called EBD, electronic brake force distribution. So what that does, it electronically changes your brake bias on the fly. So if it notices the fronts are being too overpowering, it puts more pressure to the rear. If it notices the rears are locking up or getting close to ABS, it puts more to the front. And it also does it left and right as well. What that means is you can have a caliper that isn't potentially optimized for your master cylinder, but because of the EBD, it allows it to sort of work with everything. Some people will think that it's a sacrifice that you're making. Now, the reason I did make this sacrifice and go for the STIs is their OEM quality. So I had a set of Willwoods on an MX-5 that I had before this, and they were terrible. They were good brakes, and when you had them on the track, they worked and they were amazing. But when you had a passenger in the car and they heard not just brake squeal, but other noises from the brakes, it's not the best on a street car. So that's why I've gone for an OEM caliper. As I said before, the STI calipers, they also open up your options when it comes to brake pads. So currently right now in the front, I've got the Rotor DS2500s. They're amazing. And then in the rears, you can actually see them because they're colored. I'll try get in there some more. I've got endless like Y Sports or something. So I'm just trying to get it to focus, yeah. And obviously the benefits going for the OEM calipers is that they are OEM quality, so they are gonna last 200,000 Ks with a simple rebuild. The parts will be available. No, he's starting his car up. The parts will be available for many years to come. Until a time where I'm running Aero or WRX STI calipers aren't able to work with this car, I will continue to run them. If I did have to do the brakes again, I'd still definitely go the WRX STI calipers. I probably wouldn't go for a DBA rotor in the front. I'd probably go for Forza or a PFC, I think was the other company. I have warped the DBA rotor before. I definitely like them on the street, but they just don't have the thermal capacity for track work and really hard mountain driving when you're not getting a lot of airflow, but you are getting a lot of heat from downhill. So guys, if you have any other questions about the WRX STI calipers, comment below. I'm definitely happy to answer any questions. Remember guys, if you enjoyed it, like the video, it helps me out immensely. If you didn't like it, let me know why, and subscribe for plenty more videos to come.